Hello everyone, my name is Adina Herosalma. Today I would like to present my research proposal entitled The Effect of Roblox-Based Learning on Young Learners' Vocabulary Acquisition in EFL Context. Okay, now I would like to explain about the background of the study. Vocabulary is very important for learning English. However, many young learners still have limited vocabulary, as you can see in this slide. One reason is that traditional teaching methods are often boring. Therefore, students become less motivated to learn. Now in this slide, I choose this topic because Roblox is an interactive learning platform. It helps students learn vocabulary, tokens, and communication. Also, there are still few studies about Roblox for elementary school students. And the next slide, research problem and research question. The main problem is that students have low vocabulary mastery. The research question is there a significant effect of Roblox-based learning on young learners' vocabulary acquisition in EFL context? And the next slide, research objective. The objective of this study is to find out whether Roblox-based learning can improve students' vocabulary. What's vocabulary acquisition in EFL classroom? And the next slide, yes, this is previous studies. Previous studies show that Roblox can improve vocabulary learning. However, most of the studies focus on older students. Therefore, this research focuses on young learners in elementary school. Okay, and the next slide, in the seventh slide, is literature review. So many literature review you can see here. Okay, in this literature review from vocabulary and young learners, vocabulary is the foundation of language learning. Young learners learn better when activities are fun and interactive. Games can increase their motivation and participation. And then in the next slide is about literature review about game-based learning and Roblox. Game-based learning makes learning more enjoyable and also encourage active platform or participation. So literature review about research gap here. Technology can make language learning more effective. However, research about Roblox for elementary school students is still limited. This study aims to fill that research gap. And also about research design and methodology here. This study uses a quantitative method with an experimental design. The participants are 5th grade elementary school students, class 5. Okay, and there are two groups: an experimental group using Roblox and a control group using the conventional method. So the instrument and data analysis, the instrument is vocabulary tests, including multiple choice, matching, and fill in the blank questions. The data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics and an independent test in SPSS. The purpose is to see whether Roblox has a significant effect on vocabulary acquisition. Okay, guys, these are the main references used in this study. They include books and journal articles about vocabulary learning, game-based learning, Roblox, and EFL. So, next, this is still references, additional references that support this research. And the next slide is closing. Okay, that is all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I would be happy to answer any question. Okay guys, thank you.